Pound USD, we start with the 1 hour chart. Okay, as we can see, still we are within this correction. There is no much changes from our analysis. Now we want to see whether we can look for buy from what we have here. Okay, first of all, we start with the daily chart. We want to see what we are looking for. As you can see, we have been within this move. Now we were expecting the price was within this move. We were expected down move. This is what we get. Now we want to see whether this one is a correction for the continuation or not. In this case, we move to forward chart. We want to see how we can trade, and if we can see for based on forward chart, now we are looking for this. And first of all, we want to see whether we can get any buy setup with the breakout of this or not, because we mentioned if this one turn to a bigger correction, we can look for one move down. But the way it's correcting right now, I think this one we can expect to be a deeper correction rather than looking for the sell. That's why I mentioned if we get one move up, one buy, then any sell from there we will look for. Okay. In this case, if we move to 1 hour chart, we want to see how we can trade it. Okay. Based on 1 hour chart, if you look, we had this is the where the top was it, and this is where the price dropped. Now we're looking at this one as a correction. That's why we're thinking if we want to look for buy, one of the option let the price to drop, break the low, any reversal from there we can look for buy. This is what we look, because we're looking at this correction. As long as the price haven't broke this low, if we get any drop, the reversal, we will look for buy. When we talking about the low, it doesn't mean the price have to break this low, but at least we get one more drop. We're talking about the here, which is the price is 1.3916. Okay. The another option, if the price continue from here, if you want to look for buy, we have to wait for the breakout of the top, and the top is 1.4006. Okay, that's mean if the price continue from here, we have to wait for the breakout of the top. We get a correction or small flag, then any buy we can look for. But the best is if we get one more drop, this one become a deeper correction for one buy before we look for buy. I don't think so within this correction is a good idea to look for buy. And the sell, I don't think so also we can get a really good sell from what we have right now, unless the price break the top, turn to a bigger correction, then from there we look for sell. By the way, we need to look for this correction with how it's formed and whether we can get any trades to set up or not. Okay, but based on if you're looking at this move, this is what we are looking for. That's why if this one turns to a bigger correction, the next down move can be a good idea. But right now we don't have, I mean, we cannot sell, even we cannot see any sharp move flag because it's not, I mean, it's not a good as a trade setup. Okay, by the way, we're looking at this correction. We just follow the chart. If you see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.